Hello YouTube. I've been away for a while, but it's just been really busy at the house. As you can see, we got a bunch of stuff outside and a lot of things been going on, so I'm not too sure if I was going to be available to do any more videos, but right now I am able to. It's been cold lately here in California, and finally starting to get some life back into the grow bed. Before, things were just growing and dying, like sprouting and dying. And then you can see I got the little swirl filter. Got to clean the filters there, or clean this gunk out of this swirl filter or solace filter. But right now I finally got a hold of a water tester here. I've never used this, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and start testing some water. So we'll see after finally 3 to 4 years what our water quality is, and probably better now because nothing seems to be growing well, but the fish are doing okay. It's just a little cold that they're just in the water right now. You can kind of see their shadow. Water's kind of not that clear since I haven't been able to filter it that much, and had a lot more fish than the plants can handle. But give me a moment, let me open up the API water test kit here. Okay, so I'm testing the pH, and some of them needed 2 solutions like this. Ammonia, I need to add 1 bottle 1 and bottle 2. Same thing with the nitrate. There's a bottle 1 and bottle 2. But the nitrite only had 1 bottle, so that's fine. But I don't know what the high pH is yet. High pH. And then, I read some of the instructions. Here's the little booklet on the color. And I just mixed them in. This is pH, ammonia, nitrate, and nitrite. So we'll wait a couple of minutes or 5 minutes, and then we'll come test the chart to see if how our water quality is doing. Oh, and they only gave 4 vials, which there's 5 test solutions. So I'm guessing that high pH we don't really, or we can pick either one, like the pH or the high pH range. So focus, it's not focusing. And then we'll come and check these numbers. Like I said, in 5 minutes, so probably in a couple more minutes here. So we'll see where we're at. Alright, sorry, seemed like we didn't have to wait at all. Just should be able to see. I just read the instructions again. It was 5 millimeters. I was looking at it as 5 minutes. But here's the pH level. Try to get this better angle here. Sorry if you can't really see it. Let me move on to a different location. Let's do it this way. Okay, so the pH level, hard to see the color, but it looks like it's either 6.6 or 6.8. Oh, I just dropped my ball. Alright, I need to get a camera stand, but as we can see, the pH was like 6.4 or 6.8. Let's put that aside. Let's look at our ammonia. The ammonia level looks like it's 0.50 ppm, maybe even possibly just 0.25. Okay, move that aside. We'll come get our nitrite. Nitrite seems at a 0. Not sure if that's good. And our nitrate seems to be either 0 or 5, so I'm not too sure what needs to be up or what needs to be down. But if you have the answers for me, go ahead and just leave them in the comments. I can double check online as well. But you know, like, this is our first water test. I'll write this down, keep it a note, you know, what our water test was, and I'll do it like frequently. Not frequently, but as much as I possibly can. But for right now, I think it's good at 6.4, 6.6, and ammonia was like 0.5, so we'll see how that goes. You know, thanks for watching. Sorry, it's been a while that I haven't been online or uploading any videos, but I've been really busy here with the house problems and everything. But go ahead, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll release more videos. I'm going to be probably doing a harvest soon, maybe next spring or something like that. But thank you for watching, and I'll get back with any project updates. Thank you.